welcome to my YouTube channel Quiz Parade. So today we'll be doing some important one-liners on March Current Affairs 2021 which are very important for the exams like UPSC, PSC, SSC, Bank and Railways. Do like and subscribe the channel to get an update whenever I upload a new video. So without further delay, let's get started. 1. What does T stand for in Sphoorti scheme which was making news recently? And the answer is traditional. Which institution is to provide USD 303 million loan to Assam to enhance interstate power transmission project? And the answer is AIIB. Luca Antanasio, which was recently killed, was the ambassador of which country to Democratic Republic of Congo? And the right answer is Italy. As per the recent study of NASA and German Aerospace Center, some microbes are found on the Earth may survive in which planet? And the answer is Mars. Indian government signed a USD 68 million project in the World Bank to enhance the education system of which state? And the answer is Nagaland. Question number 6. Which is the world's first country to ban all vulture toxic drugs known so far? And the answer is Bangladesh. Which country was the top trade partner of India in 2020? And the answer is China. Which organization has prepared a draft national migrant labor policy in India? Answer is Niti Aayog. Which Indian social activist was honored with the US Anti-Corruption Champions Award? And the answer is Anjali Bhardwaj. Which Asian country has recently appointed a minister for loneliness? And the answer is Japan. In which state Wayan Wildlife Sanctuary is situated? Answer is Kerala. The horticulture department of which state has proposed to set up a flower processing center? And the answer is Karnataka. Which airport topped the Airport Authority of India AAI customer satisfaction survey? Answer is Udaipur. What is the secret code written in the parachute of the NASA's Perseverance rover? Answer is Dear Mighty Things. The Narendra Modi Stadium, which was seen in the news recently, is located in which place? And the answer is Ahmedabad. Hunter killers are to be procured by which Indian armed force? Answer is Indian Army. Which is the first country to receive the batch of free COVID vaccines through COVAX scheme? Answer is Ghana. This is present in African continent. Alpine plant species which are critically endangered have been discovered in which state? And the answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Augmented reality head mounted display system are to be acquired by which Indian armed force? And the answer is Indian Army. Where is the headquarters of International Commission of Large Dams? Answer is Paris. TRIPS is associated with which organization? And the answer is WTO, World Trade Organization. Which country assumed the chairship of BRICS for the year 2021? Answer is India. What is the name of the messaging platform to be used by the Indian Army shortly? Secure Application for Internet. Which Indian bowler is the fastest to reach the milestone of 50 wickets as of February 2021? And the answer is Ravichandra Ashwin. Which state UT announced that all departments of the government will use only electric vehicles? And the answer is Delhi. What is the objective of eDakhil portal which was making news recently? And the answer is consumer grievance redressal. India has agreed to set up a hotline with which of the neighboring country? Answer is China. Which state approved a law to give life imprisonment to food adulterators? And the answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which country presided over the virtual meet of G20 finance minister and central bank governors? And the answer is Italy. Amazonia 1 satellites belongs to which country? And the answer is Brazil. The ISSF World Cup was scheduled to be held in Changwon City located in which country? And the answer is South Korea. And ISSF World Cup is related to shooting. Which bird has been spotted in Indonesia after 170 years? And the answer is black-browed babbler. How many satellites were launched by the ISRO using its PSLV C-51 rocket? And the answer is 19. Which movie won the Best Picture Drama Award in the 78th Golden Globes Award? And the answer is Nomadland. Which Indian star wrestler won the gold medal at Ukraine Wrestlers and Coaches Memorial Tournament? And the answer is Vinesh Phogat. Which mapping company has integrated into the government's co-win portal? And the answer is MapMyIndia. Which country has launched the satellites Artika M? And the answer is Russia. Which company has made first ever PC using plastic waste in ocean? And the answer is HP. Which country is the host of the multinational exercise Desert Flag? And the answer is UAE. The fossils of a titanosaur have recently been unearthed in which country? And the answer is Argentina. Which company developed the world's pilotless fighter-like jet prototype fighter jet? And the answer is Boeing. NASSCOM has partnered with which technology company to launch A1 Game Changers program? And the answer is Microsoft. When is the Zero Discrimination Day observed annually across the world? And the answer is March 1. What is INS Karanj with reference to Indian defense? And the answer is Scorpene submarine. India has sent food and medical assistance to which drought-hit country on board its Indian naval ship Jalashwa? And the answer is Madagascar. Chicxulub crater is an impact crater buried under Yucatan Peninsula in which country? And the answer is Mexico. What is the new name of the merged entity of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha channel? And the answer is Sansad channel. What is the theme of World Hearing Day 2021? Answer is Hearing Care for All. Which Indian state recently approved bill to reserve 75% private jobs for locals? And the answer is Haryana. Nag River is a 17-kilometer long river flowing through which city in Maharashtra? And the answer is Nagpur. So these were 50 important one-liners of current affairs of March 2021. Hope you have liked the session. Do share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.